Hey guys, today I would like to make a quick unbox a Wyze bulb, and I just wanted to really quickly do this so that basically open it up. This box is bigger than any other box that I had received from Wyze, whether it's the camera, whether it's the motion sensor, door sensor, or just the motion sensor. I'm a very fan of Wyze and what they do, and so this bulb I have been waiting for a long time. I ordered it in, I don't remember, in June or something like that. The problem is I think it was like $30, but after shipping and everything, it's like $40 and two, I don't know, but anyway. Here we go. There even a sticker right here. So you can see. And then here's the serial number. Go figure. So right here is the serial number and the QR code when you sell it at the store. And this even give you like the lumen or whatever you want to call the thing. So lumen, like you can see, coal. So I think those are only one color, I believe. So you're kind of on it. So I'll keep that in mind. And so this seal, of course, still sealed right here. You can see. And we about to break the darn thing. All right. And what did I do with it? See, I got so excited. Ooh! Thanks, Wyze. You even get us a sticker. So I appreciate that. Looking for my tools to open my thing, but I guess I had to use something else. I got plenty junk laying around that I can use, such as screwdriver. Bingo. Alright, this is the truth of moment. Ready? Here we go. Wyze bulb. Each bulb is wrapped in its own cloth. That's kind of cool. Hey, guess what? Instruction. So you can pause this video and read this thing if you wish. Here you go. And I am going to start. This bowl is heavy. Not just saying it's heavy, but it is heavy. I have a Philips actually laying right here. So this is Philips Hue bulb that is for $14.99 each, and this is half of that cost. This one does not doesn't need a hub. This one does need a hub, so keep that in mind. So I had two smart bulbs, and right here they look identical. They're both plastic. Of course, this one, the bottom one, is metal, so you can see it tells you this is better made than this one. This one just cheap plastics. So, but nothing wrong with the plastics. So, and that's about it. So let me take all four of the bulb out so we can look at it. So in the box, if you ever need the ring, or if you want to be creative like me, here we go. Nice. Nice picture. let's just stamp it right here. Alright, peel it all out. Here we go. Now that is called Wyze reuse purpose right here. Thanks, Wyze. Here's a Wyze sticker again. So you get that, and you get that. So that's basically it. That's what is all came with Wyze bulb, and all of it total. If you live in Oregon, if you ordered this, guess what? You don't have to pay taxes. So I think Oregon is the only one that I know that doesn't have to pay taxes. So anyway, that's about it. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.